Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 5 Best. In today's video, we will be checking out the top 5 best air fryers you can buy in 2023. I have made this list based on buyers' suggestions, opinions, and hours of research. I also listed them based on price, features, and durability. Say goodbye to oil, say hello to air fryers. Air fryers have risen in fame in the past few years, and in this video, we will help you choose the best air fryer you can get in 2023 for all your cooking needs. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and viewers can make the best decisions when buying these products. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets on the market and help you make the right purchasing decision based on your specific requirements. The links to all the products mentioned in this video are available, and we will show them in the description below. Make sure to click the subscribe button to stay up to date on information and content. Also, hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. PopAid Air Fryer. First up is the PopAid Air Fryer. This machine gets points for having a large capacity so you can prepare large meals with ease, as well as being incredibly simple and easy to use. It features a massive 5.6 quart frying basket that can fit all kinds of food inside, and the touchscreen and non-slip knob make using this air fryer a breeze. And the PopAid Air Fryer doesn't skimp on any of the details. At the bottom of the air fryer, you will find a non-slip silicone base that keeps it firmly planted on your countertop. Plus, the handle of the fryer is non-slip, anti-scalding, and easy to pick up. Poorly made air fryers can end up burning the person using them, but this machine from PopAid is incredibly safe and hassle-free. And the handle and inner basket are connected, so your food stays separated from grease when it's poured out. You can even wash it in the dishwasher. Are you looking to add some variety in the kitchen? The PopAid Air Fryer features 8 preset modes that can easily cook French fries, fruits and vegetables, pizza, barbecue, and more. And unlike other cooking methods, this air fryer locks in all of the moisture and nutrition so your food tastes like it's being served by a professional chef. The PopAid Air Fryer also makes cleaning up as hassle-free as possible. With its FDA-compliant non-stick coating, nothing sticks to the inside and you can clean up in just minutes. Plus, this air fryer comes equipped with an automatic shutoff that powers down after frying your food, making sure that nothing gets burned or overcooked. GoWise USA 5.8 quart. The GoWise USA Air Fryer allows you to enjoy all of your favorite foods without having to worry about extra calories. You can fry, roast, bake, and grill while using almost no oil at all. Want crispy French fries without all of the grease? No problem. This air fryer makes sure that you don't have to stop eating your favorite foods just to be healthy. While some air fryers are big, bulky, and stick out like a sore thumb, this device from GoWise features a sleek and modern design that will fit into any kitchen. Its cutting-edge touchscreen menu helps to guide you through the cooking process. And it comes equipped with several presets to help you prepare some of the most popular dishes in the world. Did you accidentally add too much time or set the wrong temperature? No worries. The GoWise Air Fryer features an easy stop-start button so that you can change your settings in the middle of cooking. It's also equipped with a built-in shake alarm that reminds you to shake up your ingredients while it's cooking. The GoWise Air Fryer also comes with a free recipe book. It's packed with 50 unique and delicious recipes made specifically for this air fryer, and you're sure to find a new favorite dish to make. And if for some reason you're not happy with the GoWise Air Fryer, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it at no risk to your wallet whatsoever. These also make for perfect gifts. So if you or someone you know is in the market for an air fryer in 2023, the GoWise definitely deserves your consideration. Instant Vortex Plus. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is a truly all-in-one machine that can do it all. Air fry your favorite foods without adding oil, broil potatoes and other vegetables to restaurant quality, dehydrate, bake, and even reheat. This air fryer does it all. You might think that a product that can do so much would be a hassle to use or difficult to learn, but the Instant Vortex Plus is outfitted with customizable cooking programs that are designed to make making dinner as easy as possible. Prepare everything from chicken wings to cinnamon rolls in a fraction of the time. The Instant Vortex Plus was made to make your life easier and your meals more delicious. It delivers high-quality food that you normally can only get at a restaurant, and it makes it easy. Plus, it's non-stick and dishwasher safe, so cleaning up after a meal is easier than ever before. This versatile and cutting-edge kitchen appliance will amaze you with how many functions it has. And not only does it do a lot, it does it all very well. Plus, as an added benefit, everything you cook inside this incredible device will be healthier than cooking other ways. The Instant Vortex Plus uses 95% less oil than traditional deep frying, so you can lead a happier, healthier life. COSORI Air Fryer. The COSORI Air Fryer is an award-winning kitchen appliance that has become critically acclaimed among people in the industry. This incredible machine is equipped with 11 preset cooking functions that will take your home cooking to the next level. Cooking for a large group? The COSORI Air Fryer comes with a giant 5.8 quart basket that can fit an entire 5-pound chicken inside. Unlike some air fryers that have rounded baskets, the COSORI's frying basket is square, providing you with more room and flexibility when cooking. The COSORI Air Fryer's 11 cooking functions allow you to easily make everything from breakfast to dessert with just one tap. Plus, you can create custom cooking presets so you can make the same dish over and over and never worry about it coming out of the air fryer differently. This air fryer comes with 100 included recipes that were created by some of the world's best chefs. But don't worry if you haven't gone to culinary school. These recipes are as easy to make as they are delicious. The COSORI Air Fryer was designed with ease and convenience in mind. This amazing product produces incredible results in a fraction of the time of a traditional oven or fryer. Plus, it uses 85% less oil. We all know that deep-fried foods are unhealthy, but that doesn't mean they're not delicious. By using the COSORI Air Fryer, you can keep eating your favorite fried foods, but in a much healthier way. If you spend a lot of time in the kitchen, this air fryer should definitely be on your wish list in 2023. Ninja DZ201. Ninja has been making top-of-the-line kitchen appliances for decades, and the DZ201 air fryer proves that they are still one of the best in the business. This state-of-the-art machine features 2 independent frying baskets, giving you more versatility when it comes to preparing meals. With this air fryer, you can cook 2 foods at the same time, but using completely different settings. Want to make chicken wings and steak at the same time? Go for it! You can fry in one basket and broil, bake, or reheat in the other. Of course, you can also fill both baskets with the same dish and cook a double batch in half the time it would take other air fryers. The massive 8-quart capacity of this air fryer allows you to cook a feast using only one appliance. The Ninja DZ201 air fryer allows you to customize your cooking experience completely. Roast your vegetables on one side while your main dish bakes on the other. Cook 4 pounds of French fries at once, or make dinner and dessert at the same time. With this air fryer, your entire meal can come out hot and ready to serve. There's a reason that Ninja has been dominating the home cooking industry for years. They make cutting-edge products that are simply better than the rest, and if you're looking for an air fryer in 2023, this is absolutely one of the best available. And that would be all for today's top 5 best air fryers you can buy in 2023. For more mind-blowing videos of technology gadgets and electronics, subscribe to this channel. Like and share with friends, and we will see you in the next video.